Hey everyone, I'm Dustin Lemick, founder and CEO at BriteCo Insurance. If you own a Cartier watch or you're thinking about buying one, you already know it's not just a timepiece. It's a statement of craftsmanship, heritage, and yeah, a pretty major investment. But here's the question most people forget to ask. Do you actually have to have your Cartier watch properly insured? Let's talk about what Cartier's warranty really covers, what it doesn't, and how dedicated watch insurance like BriteCo can actually protect your investment worldwide. When you buy a Cartier, it usually comes with a warranty. That sounds like protection, right? Well, kind of. Cartier's warranty only applies if your watch has a manufacturing defect. That's it. No coverage for accidental damage, no coverage for theft, no coverage for loss. And the warranty generally expires after 24 months. So if your watch slips off your wrist into the ocean on vacation or gets damaged at a dinner party, that warranty isn't going to help. BriteCo Watch Insurance is full protection for what really matters. At BriteCo, we cover theft, accidental damage, loss, or mysterious disappearance. And it's worldwide coverage, so even if something happens while you're traveling abroad, you're covered. Here is the best part. If your watch needs to be repaired or replaced, we handle it directly through an authorized, trusted repair center or your local jeweler. You'll get your Cartier back in like-new condition, no out-of-pocket costs. A lot of people think their homeowners insurance covers their Cartier. Technically, it might, but only partially. Most homeowners insurance companies or policies have low limits on jewelry coverage, often just a few $1,000s. So if your $15,000 or $20,000 Cartier gets stolen, your insurer might cut you a check for $1,000 or $2,000, minus a deductible. You'd be out $17,000 or $18,000. That's a hard pill to swallow. BriteCo's coverage replaces your watch for its full appraised value with no deductible. It's the kind of coverage built specifically for luxury timepieces. Getting coverage is simple. You can do it in about 60 seconds. Just head to brite.co, fill out a quick quote form with some basic info, and upload your appraisal. You'll instant see your policy options, usually around 0.5% to 1.5% of your watch's value per year. That's just a couple $100 annually for a $20,000 watch. And if you ever need to file a claim, you can do it straight from your phone or laptop. We handle everything: repairs, replacements, and even shipping at no cost to you. Your Cartier watch deserves protection that's as timeless as the watch itself. If you've invested in something that's special, don't leave it up to chance or to a limited warranty. Get the peace of mind that comes from knowing BriteCo's got your back wherever life takes you. Visit brite.co today to get your free watch insurance quote in under a minute. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on protecting your most valuable pieces.